morning, dear students. Now today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, fraction. Children, you have already learned fraction in class 4th and 5th standard. Now what is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole or a part of a reason or of a group. Now this is a rectangle and it has 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 parts we write below the line, and here the 2 parts be shaded and 2 parts we write above the line. This represent as a fraction, and 2 we called as the numerator and 4 we called as the denominator, and we read as 2/4. Here the 4 is the number of equal parts into which the whole has been divided, and the 2 stands for it is the number of equal parts which have been taken out. Again I repeat that 2 is called the numerator and 4 is called the denominator. Let's start exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Now let's see this figure. How many parts it is divided? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 parts it is divided. The total part we write below the line, and the shaded part we write above the line. And above the line we write the numerator, and below the line we write the denominator. Here 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So shaded part we write in the numerator, and the total part we write in the denominator. The next figure you see, first you count the total parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This figure is divided into 9 parts. So 9 we write below the line, that is in denominator, and the shaded part we count it and write in numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 we write in the numerator and 9 we write in the denominator. So the fraction comes 8 upon 9. In this way we can solve the other parts. Question number 2. Color the part according to the given fraction. Here fraction is given and shaded according to the given fraction. Here this figure is divided into 6 equal parts, and 1 that is in numerator, that part be shaded. So here 1 part be shaded out of 6. Any one you can shade it. किसी भी एक को आप शेड कर सकते हैं. Now the next is 1/4. Here the figure is divided into 4 parts and we shaded out of 4, 1 part we shaded. So any one you can shade it like this. The upper part be shaded. Now in 3rd, you see this figure is divided into 3 equal parts and the 1 part is shaded out of 3. The remaining part can be solved like this. Question number 3. Identify the error if any. Here you see all the figures. In the given figure, the partition has not been done equally, and hence we cannot represent them as the given fraction. The shaded part has not been equally divided. Hence, we cannot represent them as the given fraction. We represent them as the given fraction only when the partition has been done equally. Question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? Answer number 4. First we write number of hours in a day is equals to 24. Then we write fraction of 1 hour of a day is equals to 1 upon 24. Then fraction of 8 hours of a day is equals to 8 upon 24. Now question number 5. What fraction of an hour in 40 minutes? Answer number 5. Number of minutes in an hour is equals to 60. In 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Then in next line we write fraction of 1 minute of an hour is equals to 1 upon 60. Then fraction of 40 minutes of an hour is equals to 40 upon 60.